Hey guys, are you want to buy best racquetball shoes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about best 5 racquetball shoes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, Wilson Unisex Recon. Built specifically for use in racquetball courts, this shoe has all of your typical features. This includes a gum rubber sole, breathable mesh inserts, and a cushioned foam insole. These characteristics help with traction, stability, breathability, and comfort. One of the biggest things that set this shoe apart is its weight. One shoe weighs only about half of a pound, while one of the previous New Balance shoes was a pound. While the numbers don't sound too dramatic, lightness can make a big difference in how quickly players can get around the court. That means this shoe is great for lightweight comfort. At number 4, Python Men's Deluxe Indoor Mid-Racquetball Shoe Non-Marking. There are many different ways that brands address breathability. Often, part of the outside material will be made of mesh for air to circulate throughout the shoe. The Python Men's Deluxe Indoor Mid shoe, however, is leather on the outside. The soft mesh is found inside the shoe, where it is meant to absorb sweat to keep feet comfortable. This allows for a certain level of breathability without sacrificing the durability of the outside of the shoe. However, the breathability of an interior mesh is often less effective at keeping feet dry and comfortable. Even with this heavier material encasing the shoe, each one only weighs about 0.7 pounds. There isn't as much cushioning inside the shoe. In addition, each shoe has a thick back heel for shock-absorbed Asics Men's Gel Rocket 8 Volleyball Shoe. At number 3, Asics Men's Gel Rocket 8 Volleyball Shoe. Volleyball shoes are an excellent option for racquetball players. These shoes offer great indoor traction, featuring the same classic gum bottom found on most racquetball shoes. They're also often lightweight, but very supportive of absorbing the impact of jumping and landing. This Asics shoe, in particular, has rubber soles and a gel cushioning system to alleviate shock. Each shoe is pretty lightweight, at about the same weight as the last Python pair. They are also very breathable thanks to the mesh toe box. And our second product is EKTELON Men's NFS Attack Synthetic Mid Racquetball Shoe. Racquetball shoes are known for their classic gum rubber soles, which provide traction on indoor surfaces. This shoe certainly has that feature, which gives it incredible grip. In particular, however, the shoe stands out from the rest because it is specifically designed for ultimate stability beyond its sole. First, the high ankle support shoes keeps ankles steady when players cut back and forth during the sport. Also, the shoe features a midfoot strap and high abrasion toe cap to keep the foot secure and still inside the shoe, preventing too much movement of the foot. Within the shoe, a molded EVA midsole provides cushioning and comfort. Even with all of the interior protection, the shoe remains lightweight and quick. Now, our last product is Men's Sonic 2000 Mid Indoor Court Shoes Non-Marking. The first shoe on the list is a mid-ankle shoe, so it provides good ankle support. The comfort continues to the foot and heel, thanks to a comfortable midsole and heel energy frame support. The gum rubber sole gives excellent traction, helping to keep the foot stabilized. A supporting frame, cushioned interior, and mid-ankle height help stabilize and protect players' feet as they cut back and forth during the sport. This is another shoe that offers stellar comfort and tackles problems like impact and overuse. Because of that, it is not an incredibly lightweight or breathable shoe. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.